I want to talk regarding why a series resonance occurs at all. We need to study regarding the series resonance because it is very importantly used in televisions and filters. So, in a resonant condition, we know that when we have in a circuit a inductor, a resistor and a capacitor, and which supplied with a voltage of V, and given a circuit supply of voltage V, a current starts flowing through the circuit. Okay. Now in the series circuit, when current starts flowing through the circuit, our inductive reactance is XL is equal to 2 pi FL. So inductive reactance is directly proportional to frequency. Then capacitive reactance offered by the circuit is equal to 2 pi FC, 1 by 2 pi FC. So capacitive reactance is inversely proportional to frequency. Now when we have both the inductor and the capacitor connected in the circuit, as frequency goes on increasing, your capacitive reactance, because it is inversely proportional to frequency, capacitive reactance decreases. At the same time, your inductive reactance, as it is directly proportional to frequency, inductive reactance goes on increasing, capacitive reactance decreases. So what happens at a point, both the inductive reactance and the capacitive reactance are equal in magnitude. Now when they are equal in magnitude, a resonance occurs, that is inductive reactance effect is cancelled by the capacitive reactance effect. Now impedance equal to R plus J XL minus XC. So when the inductive reactance is cancelled by the capacitive reactance, only resistor remains in the circuit. That is why it is very important to connect a resistor in the circuit. Otherwise, when XL will be equal to XC, our impedance will be 0 if we do not have a resistor there. So when the impedance equal to 0, current I equal to V by Z. Okay. So when the impedance Z term becomes 0, our current becomes infinite. So whatever equipments connected will burn out. That is why it is very important to connect a resistor across the circuit. Okay, wherever you have the inductor and the capacitor. Now current is maximum. So current is maximum with 0 impedance. Okay, thank you.